Huh? Because, why is the baby hungry?
I should know. Baby sees all of it.
What was in there? What was that?
It's actually
What is it?
mac and cheese.
It was mac and cheese. The baby ate all the mac and cheese?
No, there's more mac and cheese.
There's more mac and cheese. Baby must be hungry, huh?
Yep. It's always to still. I see.
What do you see?
I think as Ziggy's house.
You're too funny.